Hello Pisces, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star, and welcome to your reading. So Pisces, this is your reading for the month of September 2021, and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. Okay. Also Pisces, look, what we are going to do in this reading is we'll see what your person truly thinks and feels about you, what action they will take towards you, and what is a likely conclusion between you and this person. Okay. All right, let's get started now. So we'll see what your person truly thinks and feels about you, Pisces. What your person truly thinks and feels about you. Too many cards. Okay, I'll take this one. This was isolated by that group which fell down. So for the past we have is 10 of wands and 2 of cups. For the present we have is 10 of swords and the temperance. Future we have is 10 of pentacles and we have is 6 of wands. So many tens, Pisces. Let's see what action they will take towards you. Let's see what action they will take towards you. Let's see what action they will take towards you. Let's see what action they will take towards you. Okay. We have a king of wands, then we have a king of pentacles, we have a 7 of swords, the star, and we have is the tower. Okay. So we'll pull out the conclusion later on. We have so many tens, 10 of wands, 10 of swords, and 10 of pentacles. So Pisces, for the past we have is 10 of wands and 2 of cups. This person wanted you to drop the grudges you are holding in your mind regarding about this person. Okay, this person, they may have also left a third party because they have had realizations that they are so much in love with you and they were anyway not happy with the third party. This person also after you came in this person's life, this person started realizing that they have never lived life in the truest sense. Okay, you are the one who taught them how to live the life to the fullest, how to live life in a true sense. This person was busy running their life trying to make other people happy, trying to please other people happy. This person was carrying unnecessary burden of people in and around them, behaving and acting in a manner so as to please the society, to please their family, to please the friends, to please the people within the work organization. They never lived for themselves. Okay, they thought that this is how the world is. Okay, the world is about pleasing others. The world is about to run your own life as per the societal norms. And whereas when you entered in this person's life, you told them that there is no need to behave like this. Run your life, do things that really make you happy. Okay, and it was a big wake up call for this person with that 10 of wands. So what I see, Pisces, is that you have shown them some true happiness. This person has experienced unconditional love with you. This person has experienced some true happiness with you. And this person, directly or indirectly, has learned a big deal because of you. Big deal. I mean, they have learned a lot of life lessons because of you. Okay, they were definitely walking down the wrong path, and you have shown them the right path. Okay, this person was so much in love with you. They are still in love with you. Okay, but being with you was an enlightening experience. Okay, being with you was okay. You have given them wake up call so many times. Okay, like every single time they felt that they were wrong and Pisces was right. Okay, and they are so much in love with you for the way you were treating them, for the way you loved them, the way you took care of this person, the way you were always there for them. Okay, you were being a partner, a lover in the truest sense. Okay, and in the present We have Ten of Swords and Temperance. Now this person is realizing what they have lost. Now this person is realizing that losing you was the biggest loss of their life. This person is, they may be drinking right now thinking about you. They may be feeling low and depressed. This person has also experienced a lot of backstabbing from people whom they trusted the most. This person mistreated you and they gave importance to the wrong people, and now those same people have backstabbed this person of yours. So they are learning their life lessons in a hard way. Okay, and now they are realizing, Pisces, that they were busy fetching the stones when diamond was already available with them. Although they are slowly getting out of that pain of, you know, pain of losing you, or they are getting out of this, they are trying to get a grip of their own life now. Okay, they are accepting that you are not a part of their life, but at the same time they need to do something, so that they need to make some efforts to get you back in their life. Okay, the stability of their own life is disturbed, or it's gone, because you are no more a part of their life, and they need to do something about this. They know that they really need to do something, and what it is, like whether they need to come towards you with a communication, or they need to come towards you with an offer, they need to say sorry, what exactly they need to do, they are trying and understanding that. Okay, and the future is Ten of Pentacles and Six of Wands. They will come towards you with an offer, Pisces, I can see that. And some of you may want to think about this offer, is what I'm feeling. Ten of Pentacles and Six of Wands. Both the cards are extremely positive. Extremely positives. Okay? Someone is feeling a sense of victory over here. They may come towards you with an offer. At least they want to be with you. Okay? They want to grow old with you. They have these future plans with you. Have a home. Whosoever wants to have kids. Okay? They have these plans to get married, have a home, have kids. They want this relationship to be a success with you. They want to forget their past. They want to change their old ways. They were, for their entire life, they were searching someone like you, and when you entered in their life, they definitely didn't know what exactly they need to do about this. So what they're gonna do is, what action they will take is King of Wands, King of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, Star, and the Tower. They are waiting for some time, Pisces, is what I'm feeling. Okay, they know that they have caused a lot of hurt to you. They are allowing you to heal from this hurt. And when the time is right, at that time they will come towards you, because this person is watching you. This person is spying a lot on you. They know that you are, there is a great deal of stuff that you're going through in your life. Okay, and this person is keeping tabs on you. They are watching you for sure. Okay. So let's see what is the likely conclusion between you and this person. What is the likely conclusion between you and this person? Pisces, what is the likely conclusion between you and this person? What is the likely conclusion between you and this person? What is the likely conclusion between you and this person? And we have his patience. Then we have his victory. We have his happy family. Okay. And appreciation. Okay. I told you, right? The cards are positive. So at least some of you are thinking to go back to this person. Like, we have Ten of Pentacles and Six of Wands in the future. And even the conclusion cards are patience, victory, happy family, and appreciation. All of them are positive cards, which is only indicating that there is a great potential of reunion in this situation. And somehow, maybe Pisces, even you want to go back to this person. At least the cards are indicating like that. But yes, patience is needed. Patience is needed because this person is working on themselves and they are having certain realizations. So patience is needed. We have victory twice. Six of Wands is also victory. So someone is feeling victorious, I had said, right? So this is just a validation of whatever I said. So this person wants to grow old with you. And they are waiting. They are waiting for the right time. Wow. Whew. This was intense, Pisces. This was intense. Anyways, I hope this resonates. Hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Okay, bye bye then.